In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add font in Webflow. By the end, you'll know how to preview a text element, open the font controls, add fonts from Google, upload your own files, or connect Adobe Fonts, and then publish your changes. Start by opening your Webflow project. On the canvas, click the text you want to style so you can clearly see where the font will change. Type a short sample phrase if you need something readable to preview. Then click back on the text element to make sure it's selected. With the element selected, head over to the right-hand side and open the Style panel. Scroll to the Typography section and expand it. You'll see the current font family, which may be set to something like Arial by default. Open that font drop-down, then scroll to the bottom and select Add Fonts. This takes you to your project's font settings, where you can type in 3 different ways. First, Google Fonts. Click Google Fonts to browse and enable families directly from Google's library. It's fast, hosted for you, and great for most use cases. Pick the families and weights you plan to use so you're not loading extras. Second, Custom Fonts. Click Custom Fonts, then choose Upload Custom Font Files. Select your font files from your computer. For best performance, include WAF or WAF2 versions if you have them, and upload all the styles you need, like regular, medium, and bold, so your design has consistent weights. Always make sure you have the proper license to use and host the font on your site. Third, Adobe Fonts. Click Adobe Fonts, then enter the Adobe Fonts API token for this site. This links your Webflow project to your Adobe Fonts kit, so the families you've included there become available in Webflow. After pasting the token, click Save Token. If you update your kit later in Adobe Fonts, remember to republish for changes to appear. Once your fonts are added, go back to the designer. In the same typography section you opened earlier, your new families will now appear in the font dropdown. This lets you preview your sample text with the new type and confirm sizing, line height, and weight look right. When you're satisfied, click Publish to push the changes live. For a safe workflow, publish to your staging domain first, refresh, and confirm the new font renders correctly across headings, paragraphs, and buttons. If something looks off, double-check that all required weights are uploaded or enabled, and clear your browser cache. That's it. You've added fonts in Webflow and set yourself up for clean, consistent typography.